Have you ever wondered how to make money while you sleep? Now, this may sound like a tall tale or a lofty dream, but in the vast and intricate web of the internet, it's a reality for many. Some may hear this and instantly think, passive income. However, it's not quite as simple as that. The idea of making money online while you sleep is often cloaked in misconceptions, shrouded in images of easy wealth and effortless earnings. But let's pull back the curtain on this, shall we? It's not just about sitting back and watching the dollars roll in. It's about leveraging the power of the digital age, creating value, and building systems that work even when you're catching some Z's. So let's debunk some myths, shall we? In today's digital age, there are numerous ways to earn money online while you rest. And it's not just about passive income. Let's delve deeper. When you hear making money while sleeping, your mind probably jumps to passive income. But what is it really? Well, in its simplest form, passive income represents money that you earn with little to no daily effort. It's the dream, right? You set something up once and let the dollars roll in while you catch some Z's. However, it's crucial to understand that passive income isn't just about lounging on a beach while the money rolls in. It's not a magic money tree, and it certainly isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires initial hard work, investment, and most importantly, time. Think about rental income, one of the most common types of passive income. It sounds easy, right? You buy a property, rent it out, and voila. You have a steady stream of passive income. Well, not so fast. To buy a property, you first need a substantial amount of capital. Then there's property maintenance, dealing with tenants, and managing unexpected issues that inevitably arise. So, while it can become a source of passive income eventually, it requires significant upfront work and continual management. Or, consider dividends from stocks, another popular form of passive income. To earn a meaningful income from dividends, you need a considerable investment in stocks, and that comes with its own set of risks. Plus, you need to understand the stock market, which can be a full-time job in itself. So the reality of passive income is that it's not as passive as it sounds. It requires substantial upfront effort, constant learning, and an initial investment. And let's face it, not everyone has the resources or the inclination for this kind of commitment. This isn't to say that passive income isn't worth pursuing. It can be a great way to diversify your income streams and build wealth over time, but it's important to have a clear understanding of what it entails. So, if passive income isn't the magic solution for everyone, what other ways are there to make money online while you sleep? Well, my friends, let's explore this in the next segment. Stay tuned. Welcome to the world of automation, a game changer in the field of making money online. In the digital age, automation has become the new buzzword. It's not just about robots in manufacturing anymore. Automation now permeates every aspect of our lives, including the way we make money online. Automation is the art of using technology to perform tasks with minimal human intervention, and it's revolutionizing the landscape of online businesses. Let's take a closer look at how automation can help generate income, even when you're not actively working. Imagine you've created an online course or a digital product. You've put in the upfront work, and now it's time to sell. But instead of spending hours every day promoting your product, you set up an automated sales funnel. This could include automated emails, social media posts, and advertisements that work around the clock to drive traffic to your product. Similarly, Consider automated webinars. Once you've recorded a webinar, it can be replayed again and again, reaching new audiences each time. All you need to do is set up a landing page and a registration process, and the webinar does the rest. Again, the key is the upfront work. Once that's done, these systems can generate income while you sleep. But automation isn't just about selling products, it's also about improving customer service and enhancing user experience. Think of chatbots answering customer queries or AI recommending personalized products. These automated processes not only save you time, but also make your customers feel valued and understood, which in turn increases their likelihood of making a purchase. The beauty of automation is that it allows you to make the most of your time. While the automated systems are hard at work, you can focus on creating new products, exploring new markets, or even just enjoying some well-deserved downtime. Automation can indeed be a powerful tool for making money online, but there's another key element to consider: scalability. In the online world, scalability is king. But what does it mean? Well, let's delve into it. Scalability, in its simplest form, refers to the ability of a business to handle increased market demand. With online businesses, this takes on a new dimension. Think of it like this. In a traditional brick-and-mortar store, the number of customers you can serve at a time is limited. You're constrained by factors like the size of your store, the number of employees you have, and the geographical location of your business. But in the realm of the internet, those constraints virtually vanish. Online businesses can reach a global audience, breaking free from geographical boundaries, be it someone from New York or New Delhi. They can access your business with just a click. Moreover, digital products or services add another layer of scalability. For instance, imagine you've created an online course or an ebook. Once the initial work of creating the product is done, it can be sold to hundreds, thousands, or even millions of people without any additional work. You don't need to spend extra hours serving each new customer. They can simply download your product and voila, you've made a sale. And the best part? This can happen at any hour of the day, even while you're sleeping. But remember, scalability doesn't mean effortless. It requires strategic planning and a good understanding of your market. You need to know who your potential customers are, what they want, and how you can deliver value to them. And most importantly, you need to ensure that your business infrastructure is capable of handling the increased demand, ensuring a seamless customer experience. So, scalability is not just about growing bigger, it's about growing smarter. It's about leveraging the power of the internet to serve more people more efficiently. It's about creating a business that works for you rather than you working for it. Scalability and automation are the keys to making money online while you sleep. But remember, it requires strategic planning, hard work, and a good understanding of your market. So, is making money while sleeping a myth or a reality? Well, let's recap what we've unpacked today. Making money online while you sleep is indeed possible, but it's not about passive income as many might believe. Instead, it's about harnessing the power of automation and the scalability of online businesses. Think about it. Automation allows you to streamline processes, freeing up your time while the business continues to operate. On the other hand, scalability lets you expand your business without a proportional increase in costs. When these two elements meet in an online setting, the potential for growth and revenue, even while you're catching some Z's, becomes a tangible reality. But remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires careful planning, strategic implementation, and a good dose of reality. After all, dreams are meant to be chased, not merely dreamt. The dream of making money while sleeping is achievable, but it requires more than just dreaming. It requires action, strategy, and a good dose of reality.